Are you stuck staring at a blank screen, wondering what to write about for your news blog? Don't worry, in this video, I'll share 5 proven ways to find viral news topics, keep your blog updated, and grow your audience. Let's dive in. Method 1. Follow news aggregators and trend trackers. The internet is overflowing with content, but how do you filter what's relevant and popular? That's where news aggregators and trend trackers come in handy. Google Trends. Google Trends is a powerful tool that shows you what people are searching for in real time. You can explore trending topics worldwide or filter by country, time period, and even category. Use it to identify breaking news or see if a topic is gaining popularity. Google Alerts. Set up Google Alerts for keywords related to your niche, such as artificial intelligence, elections, cryptocurrency, or any subject you're covering. You'll receive daily or weekly emails with newly published content, helping you stay updated without actively searching. BuzzSumo. BuzzSumo lets you see which articles, videos, or posts are getting the most shares and engagement online. You can type in a keyword or domain and find the most shared content across Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, and more. It's perfect for spotting viral topics. Answer the Public. This free tool visualizes questions people are asking in search engines. If you enter a keyword like Elon Musk, it will generate hundreds of question-based search queries like "Where was Elon Musk born?" or "What is Elon Musk's role at Tesla?", giving you endless angles for blog posts. Method 2. Monitor social media trends. Social media platforms are real-time pulse checkers for what's hot right now. Millions of users are constantly discussing, debating, and sharing the latest happenings, and you can use this to fuel your content. Twitter, X, Trends. Twitter's trending topics update in real time and often highlight breaking news, cultural moments, or major events. These trends vary by location and interest, allowing you to tailor your feed to your specific niche. Reddit. Reddit is an underrated goldmine. Subreddits like r/news, r/worldnews, or topic-specific ones like r/technology, r/cryptocurrency, surface some of the most upvoted and discussed content daily. Instagram and TikTok hashtags. On Instagram and TikTok, trending hashtags can reveal what topics or challenges are currently viral. Follow influencers or niche creators to discover emerging themes. A story that's trending visually can be turned into a blog post from a different angle. Method 3. Use AI tools for content ideas. AI is revolutionizing content discovery. You can now use smart tools to generate content ideas, analyze trends, and even draft outlines. ChatGPT. Simply ask, "Give me 10 trending news topics in tech this week." ChatGPT will instantly generate a list of current topics, often based on global data and online buzz. Perplexity AI. This tool combines AI with real-time internet data. You can use it to ask detailed questions like "What's the latest in climate change legislation?" and get credible sources with up-to-date answers. It's perfect for finding data-backed blog topics that are timely and relevant. Method 4. Spy on competitors. Sometimes, the best ideas come from observing what others in your niche are doing. Don't copy, improve. Monitor competitor blogs or channels. Look at websites, YouTube channels, or newsletters that target the same audience as you. Identify which of their articles are getting the most views, shares, or comments. Use tools like SimilarWeb or Ubersuggest. These platforms allow you to analyze your competitors' traffic, top-performing pages, and keyword strategies. Find out what's driving their growth and use that data to shape your next blog idea. Method 5. Engage your audience. One of the smartest ways to come up with content ideas? Ask your audience directly. They'll tell you what they care about. Use polls and question stickers. Instagram stories, YouTube community tab, Facebook groups, all these platforms allow you to post polls, Q&As, or question boxes. Read the comments. Scroll through the comments on your previous blog posts, videos, or social media posts. Your audience might already be asking questions or suggesting topics. Listen to them. Browse Quora. On Quora, people ask specific questions about every topic imaginable. Search for keywords related to your niche and see what people are curious about. If one question has a lot of followers, it's a signal that many people want answers. And that's it, 5 killer ways to find content ideas for your news blog. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.